Good morning everyone. Once again, this is Luli on Bon TV. Look at Loli guys. I don't know where she's going. We are thinking she's going to sleep, but look. She's sexy. She's wearing her jumpsuit. No?
Iganaw mo na naman nga dahil sa kamay mo
Loli, I
para
will show
makita
you.
nila. Hello mga kababayan sa Pilipinas. Yung bisera na naman kami guys. Kasi maraming Ano, sexy ni. Grabe, ang sexy niya. Nakita mo.
O, di ba po kakolabado yan?
Parang naman siya
Parang bakla, no?
She looks like a gay.
This Loli. Say hi to them. Hi, I am Loli. Sexy Loli. Look at the vitals. 34, 24, 34. Wow, sexy body. You want to order, guys? It's a jumpsuit. Uy, wow.
Ang ganda, no?
Sexy ni Loli. Oh. Loli's wearing DIY clothes. This is clothes especially made for Loli.
She wanna go down.
I just only show you your clothes. Your clothes.
Bakit ayaw niya ang sandwich? Why you don't like your food? Why you don't like sandwich, Ronnie? Why you don't like
She
your
don't
food?
like a sandwich, you want garbage.
Wala bang karga yan, Day? Please. Ay, hindi naman yan basurahan, What do you want, Loli, if you don't like?
Choose.
I know. Let's go to your kitchen. Let's go. Come here. Oh, Loli, oh, berries. Come. Come, oh, bakit ganyan na naman siya? Sakang. Come here. Come, follow me, Loli. Come, follow me. Follow me, Loli. Let's go to your kitchen. Come, follow me.
Walis na si
Oo. Si bro, malis na. Kailangan next week magpa-renew na tayo. Oh.
Matay mo kapag live.
Kaya nga, sayang. Umuulan.
Ganyan na lang naman.
Ganito na lang, i-upload ko na lang ganito. Ayun ako, Inglesera na naman kami ngayon guys kasi marami kasing nagre-request na English daw namin kasi hindi daw nila maintindihan. Kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na kami mga kababayan namin sa Pilipinas. You know guys, she don't like her food. I don't know. I think she want fruits only. Do you want your food or no? Loli? My loli girl. Where are you going? Where are you going, Loli? Come here and eat your food. Come. Come here. Bye-bye. Bye, Loli. Bye-bye. Bye. I'm waiting. Bye. Ja. Go out. Come. I will carry you. Come here. Ay, sorry. Don't go there. This is food. I cannot go live guys because I don't know, because maybe There's a rain outside. There's a rain. Outside pa. Siyempre outside talaga yun. Ano ka ba? So, Loli, say bye-bye, Loli. Say bye-bye. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you.